E Plus Nord CE4 Lite 5G, Super Silver, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Price, 19,999 rupees, approx. I still remember the day my trusty old phone slipped from my hands and landed face down on concrete. That single crack across the display turned into a spider web overnight. After sulking for a few days and using it with a broken screen like a true warrior, I finally gave in. It was time to move on, and I wanted a phone that gave me premium features without making my wallet cry. After some serious scrolling through online reviews and tech blogs, I found it, the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G in Super Silver. What caught my attention wasn't just the clean design or the OnePlus brand name, but a promise you don't often see, a lifetime display warranty. Considering how my last phone died, this felt personal. When the box arrived, I was immediately impressed by how sleek and modern the phone looked. The Super Silver finish was clean, reflective, and had that cool, understated premium vibe. It felt light in the hand, yet solid, just right. From the first boot, everything was smooth. The 120Hz AMOLED display was the star, scrolling through apps, switching between screens, and even watching Netflix felt buttery smooth and vibrant. Bright, punchy colors and deep blacks made binge watching a treat. Under the hood, the 8GB RAM and OnePlus's Oxygen OS optimization made multitasking seamless. Whether it was gaming, switching between Instagram and Chrome, or handling work emails, the phone handled it all like a champ. I played BGMI and Asphalt 9 on medium to high settings without noticeable lag. Battery life, though, easily one of the biggest highlights. The 5500 mAh battery got me through a full day and more, even with screen-heavy use. And when I needed a quick top-up, the 80W SuperWalk charging took me from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. That's insane, especially for someone constantly on the move. The 50MP camera with OIS took sharp, well-lit photos during the day. The image stabilization helped a lot in low light too, fewer blurry shots, more clarity. While it's not competing with high-end flagships in night mode, it absolutely punches above its weight for the price. Now, it's not perfect. The phone doesn't come with an ultra-wide or macro lens, which I sometimes missed. Also, there's no stereo speaker setup, so while the sound is decent, it's not immersive. And yes, no charger in the box would have been annoying, but thankfully, this one includes the 80W charger, so props to OnePlus for that. Check mark pros. 120Hz AMOLED display, vibrant, smooth, and immersive. 5500 mAh battery with 80W SuperWalk, insanely fast charging. Lifetime display warranty, peace of mind. 50MP camera with OIS, sharp shots with great stabilization. Sleek design in Super Silver. Solid overall performance for multitasking and gaming. Reverse charging adds utility. Cross mark cons. No ultra-wide or macro camera. Single speaker only, lacks stereo sound. No expandable storage. Slight bloatware on first boot. Final verdict. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G is a near-perfect mid-range smartphone for those who want flagship-like features at under 20,000 rupees. With an impressive display, blazing fast charging, and everyday reliability, it's a steal, especially if you've ever cracked a screen and wished you had that lifetime warranty.